clout. They do anything for clout.
So we're just going to go ahead and get started. First, we're going to start with this purple shade, and we're going to just put that right on the crease, or actually right above the crease. This brush that I'm using is from Morphe. It's brush M23, I believe. I'll make sure to put it in the description box below, you guys, just so you have, the correct information. But you're going to go ahead and then just blend that into the crease, or I'm sorry, right above the crease. The palette that I'm going to be using is, voila, the Glam Light, and I'm using black. And you want to blend the black right in the middle of the crease, just like this. Okay, you guys, so then you want to take a small blending brush, and I actually got this from BHCosmetics. It's brush number 17, and you want to basically blend out the shadow, or that light, or that purple that you just put on there. Little blending circles is what you want to do. Once you finish that, then you want to just cut the crease, and I'll list everything that I'm using in the description box. Okay, you guys, now you're just gonna blend the outer corner with that same purple color that you used in the beginning when you were basically making the eyeshadow, and then you want to use that black from the Glam Light palette, or any palette, as long as it's black. You want to make sure you blend that outer corner as well, to where that line is not so defiant, but more is just blended, if you guys know what I mean by that. So yeah, just make sure you blend that outer corner of your eye really well. Okay, so then we're going to take the Glam Light palette again, and we're going to use basically the navy color and the royal blue color. And that's going to go, that navy blue is first going to go on the outer part of the eyelid. You just want to dab it. And the brush that I'm using for this is Morphe M321. And then the next color that I'm going to use from the Glam Light is the turquoise color right here. And that's going to go right on top of that navy blue and royal blue. Just like that, okay? And then the next color that we're gonna use is the Folklore. I don't know if I'm saying that right, you guys. And it's the Secrets palette, and we're gonna use that mint. That mint color right here. And it's just gonna go in the inner part. Just like that, okay? And then the next color we're gonna use from that same palette is the color Avocado. Okay, and this brush that I'm using, it was from a BHCosmetics collection, and this brush is like super old. I don't even think they sell it anymore, but you can use any flat shading brush because it's a shading brush. And then the other brush that I used for the inner corner is a BHCosmetics V15 brush. Okay. So anyway, taking that avocado color and then putting it right next to that turquoise blue. Just like that. And the color that I'm going to put on top of that is out of that same palette, but it's more of a glitter color. It's called Galaxy, and it's that color right there. Use that same brush, and you just want to put that on top. Right, like that. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with that cool mint color again in the inner corner. I just want to touch it up one more time. Okay, you see that? Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use that Glimlight palette, but the white color. And when you're gonna use the skinniest flat brush you have, that's not too thick at the top. And again, this is from a BHCosmetics set. I know they don't have it anymore, but check it out because they may still have the set. I'm not sure. But anyway, you're gonna go in with that white and put it in the inner corner on top of that cool mint. Okay, see that? And then a trick that I did was I used that white on basically like the outer part of the eyeshadow when I did the cut crease, and so that's basically what we're gonna do. Honestly, I didn't know how the hell this look was gonna look, like how this is gonna come out. Like I was literally just playing it by ear. Okay, you guys, so that's really it for the shadow look. I'm gonna put the lash on off camera and then I'll be right back. Hey you guys, I'm back. So this is the finishing look with the full face and the eyeshadow. I just want to thank you guys for watching my channel and liking and subscribing. And I think this look came out way better than I expected. I was kind of just playing it ear by ear just to see, you know, how good I can get with continuing to blend and things like that. So this look came out great. I absolutely love it. And you guys just stay tuned. I'll be posting more videos, things of that nature now that we're all in this quarantine and I have enough time to do so. Now that I can like work from home and things like that. So yeah, just stay tuned, you guys. Be on the lookout for new videos and make sure to follow me on social media. All the products that I use on my eyeshadow and the brushes I use will be in the description box below. So yeah, just stay tuned, you guys. Please like, subscribe. See you guys soon. Bye.